Nante guys ngifuna imenu for amadoda bethiwa ala and ngizayile nje la menu and angazi uzifike na but ke Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Yo guys, I am so sorry you will not see my face. Well, you will see my face, but then I won't like come in between because in the flu, like I just had to post because I said we're gonna stay consistent. So yeah, don't mind my voice. Flew in Bambi chic. Okay, just got off the Uber. Kakamba is late as usual. Okay, thank you. Yeah, it's not that bad. I wouldn't believe it going so, but this girl's still not here. Actually, it's still not here, guys. I wasn't planning on drinking. I'll tell myself, Kuti, after this, I'm going to the gym. Oh no, these oysters were amazing. Yo, even their thingy. I'm not a strawberry daiquiri person, but Aurum has the best strawberry daiquiri, guys. Yo. Yeah, for some reason, sound yamia cut her off here. But anyways, I was still waiting for kakamba. Guys, I waited for an hour, almost 2 hours actually. And this girl, August, she's on the way. And Wespa, she lives closer to Aurum than Mna. And I even did my face. She didn't even do her face. Yo, no, I really need to invest in punctual people in my life because I can't be the one that's always waiting. But anyways, still looking cute, still looking for kakamba still, but smahle wethu akongxaki. No, okay, fine.
I can't stop.
Once you get me started. Oh, you're so cute. What do you even mean?
Lizzie is the one I love. The kind that you act like. I really appreciate things like that.
Okay, so I ordered their seafood pasta. Oh my goodness, it was so amazing. I could not finish it though. I took it as a takeaway, but it was so amazing. Yo, no, they had really nice food. Anyways, that was the perfect end to like a perfect day. Sundowners outside. It was so cold. I'm in my passenger princess era.
Passenger princess.
Cheers. Yeah, so the following day, if you already watched my previous YouTube video, you'll see what I was drinking Herbalife because I just started Herbalife, guys. So I was unboxing my package from Herbalife just before I can go out Kisana and go and do my self-care day indoors. So yeah, hope you're gonna get this bod. Hello guys, right now I'm on my way to my Uber. I hate this complex because they don't allow Ubers to come inside, so now you always have to walk out. Anyways, I think I mind also I'm up oiling it. Oh sorry buddy. Oh. Don't know they were cleaning. I'm so sorry. Nditi, so now, don't mind my oily face now because I thought I'd do sunscreen. Yeah, anyways. Today I left my hair to be this bushy because I'm going to uninstall and reinstall it. And of course, don't forget Izaza, never. So now, walking to the gate and yeah, just go with me to Agandi Square because that's where the hair guy is. Ooh, T-Cash. Oh, I was gonna use my mic, but then no, I wanna save it for when I'm like shooting later because I'm planning on shooting a video later on. But yeah, anyways, stay tuned, ladies. Guys, as much as I don't rate Joburg CBD, no, this place is actually very pretty. Like, it's actually very pretty. It's clean, it's nice, and also, oh no, this salon I am plugging you guys. Y'all need to come here because it is very comfy. You can stay here for the whole day, especially if you're gonna be waiting in line. Look at it, Njena, Polile, and it's very cute. Look at the body, son. Imagine class and toned up. Hope life better do the things, son. Yo, anyways, guys, I was lost in line, so now I had to wait. But here we're first like uninstalling the hair so that we can wash it. So I forgot this other liquid thingy and I forgot to like show you guys, but then yeah, so now gotta wait for a few minutes, mani puma, but now I'm impatient, so I'll keep on just like pulling a little bit, risking your hairline yam, because who cares? I'll get a bigger forehead with even beautiful Kesanalo. Anyway, guys, I was lost in line. I think there were like 5-6 girls in front of me because I just woke up and decided to come. So if you are going to go and install with T-Cash, please do make an appointment, guys, to avoid spending the whole day there. Yo. But anyways, I finally managed to get this out, and then I left Pana to go and buy myself some snacks because Lord knows I will snack on something. Yeah, so I went to Woolies. It's right across the road. Yeah, and I got myself some wine too because I don't know why, but they were out of stock and again glass salon, and they usually have wine. Yeah, we're still here, guys. Got everything for my lashes. I decided to just over something. Oh no, actually that was a bad idea because I got so late. Anyways, still waiting up. At this point, guys, I decided to just chill. Finally, I was next in line. So this lady was putting in wig cap so that I can just be ready for T-Cash when it's my turn. Yo, this is such an awkward thing. Like, it's so no, I don't like how it's sitting on my eyes. Oh, like at level, I'm getting a bit lit. Like I'm slowly getting a bit lit, but get as co-op. It was finally my turn, guys. At this point, I am lit as hell. Like I'm so lit. I'm really lit. I don't even know. Like I wasn't sure what since we starting the sense. Like at first I wanted to do like a small pond or like half pond or half hair down, but then yeah, T-Cash said that it's not gonna be like fine for long since I go to a gymming, and I wanted like a style that's gonna last me at least for a week. And he was saying the pondo is probably gonna last for like a couple of days, maybe 3, if I'm going to the gym. So my best bet is probably the side part. So what the hell, might as well, okay. But guys, like no, I was serious. Like I think not having hair would suit me. Like lip old cap in doesn't want to no crying and fun, like guys. Like no, like just take a hater. Like the hater inside you, just put it aside and then just look at me. Guys, I look so pretty. Like I'd be like one of those girls that, you know, just cute anyway. Be in South Africa. Yeah, and she's also light skinned. No, I'd actually be like her. I think no, I should look into it. Hey, sad because this is scooter. Fuck. So sorry, guys. Anyways, yeah. I was telling you guys, I was having my own little party here. So, yeah, I was having a good time, Jim. I was so late, come night. Tea and green. I was no driver, guys. I was saying really, I was driver. No ways. And here is the final product. How Beyonce? I swear Beyonce, guys, give me now. No ways, I'm very pretty, guys. Like I am pretty, period. Okay, like like I said, I'm just a fine girl. Like period. Okay. Now it's home time. T-Cash did his thing as usual. Not surprised, nothing new here. So yeah, home time. Yeah, so I got home and passed out, and then the following day, y'all already know that I woke up and did my video. I shot my video, the get ready with me and / chit chat, whatever. And afterwards, I went and met up with Aluta at Waterfall Corner because I just had to go out. Yeah, Aluta just got here. And I'm like, let me just... Hi, doll. Oh, wait, should I switch on the light? No, I think it's still bright out. The light on yeah, it's still bright out. So, I'm hungry. Yeah.
Hi guys, this is Anita. Welcome to Smith's channel. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to her channel.
No child.
Welcome to your channel.
Yo, here is the guys. So try out ke guys in la Parada ka want. Nathi sifuna amadi o. Thatha ngawo pha. Sikhathe uthi orderishwa pha amadoda ka want. Athathwa phi amadoda want abe advertise. Dizele amadoda ngapha xa imenu yamadoda asafuni nje nikisi. Please. Asafuni ukutya. That's why I mean, guys, yes.
Okay, so that's my message.
No, it's no, but then my makeup is too cute to wear as much as I want to Zaza. You know me, I'm in my Zaza era, but no, you can't child with this makeup.
How much is it?
So on the wings, there's 7 and small wings. There's 7 in a portion.
I think order something else because I already ordered the wings.
Yeah, but check either 2 or 3 of the dishes that I they don't come on the side because they put up one on the second.
The grilled first, yo.
Yeah.
So how do I create the platter?
You pick on the first and then you say I want chicken and I want maybe pork ribs. Then I bring all 3 but charge individually.
That's okay. No Zaza for me today.
I think I want the wars. Let me just have the wars.
You want some chips?
Yeah, with chips.
I already got fries though. Okay, more.
Just share it.
Plenty.
And then, yeah,
My
for
chips
now.
are your wages. You don't know what's in chips. Wages. They're very nice.
Okay, it's fine. Wedges are nice.
Perfect.
And then,
So
what are we going to drink, Chamis?
The wine, the white wine.
White wine.
Can we get like a bucket of ice so that we can make it cold?
Do you know what's 7?
Okay, let's have the Hampton and Co.
Okay, so let me go to the bathroom real quick. Okay. That is crazy. Like, that is crazy. Why would you even think of this? Okay, guys, now we moved on to the wine. We're still at La Parada. And yeah. We're waiting. I'm with Anita, right? And now we are waiting for Uluando to get here. So there's gonna be 3 of us. And we'll probably start taking shots when he gets here. I hope you guys can hear me. This mic. I don't know. I hope you're guys. But then anyways. Sundowners. Fine girl, no pimple babe, no pimple head. Okay, Rwanda is on his way. Check back soon.
Baby, don't whine on your seat, come give me that. Jump up on my body like animal. Dance make you feel like carnival. I gon' lock you down like criminal.
Same thing. Okay, wait. I already know that time was gonna get drunk, so let's go. Let's have a cauze. Golden hour gesana. Love it. Okay, I don't know if rules are there, but you have to come closer to it. Yeah. That's
Why are you guys taking pictures without me?
we're doing a vlog. I'm working on my vlog. Do you wanna
Are
be
you
in
back
it?
on YouTube?
Yeah.
Vlog,
Let's
Spend the
go.
day.
I can't so I don't mean. In life, you must just do things yourself. It's fine. It's fine.
How many times should you be?
No, because it's
Toasting
it's a good. Please, I toast any chance I get. Galazo.
A glass of.
Actually, it's Zaza. I think it's Zaza Prince.
Zaza Zao.
It's Zaza.
I want to ask Zao.
Zaza Zao. Please, but you know, and there are these against glasses with two years.
I want from Sun.
From where? There are these against
From what the fuck? Okay, it's fine. Parada shades from Sunglass Hut.
I knew I was forgetting something. When we were taking pictures, I wanted to wear Zaza, I forgot, but then it's fine.
From Parada, how do they look like?
How much are
Show
they?
you now.
Guys, now I'm a big Zaza girl.
You right? Maltwalo so guys
Zaza's
Zaza.
not big.
Like it's giving skr and I'm
My
not
Zaza must
skr.
oversized sunnies. I'm here for it, please. Definitely here for you, Sana. If you see me, you're trying to see what's up.
Ski. Oh no, I remember even what like listening to Town, just like Town.
No, because on the way
My coochie pink, my booty hole is definitely brown.
we're the niggers, I'm trying to get the hoes. Quick like you nigga, come suck a bitch.
I'm trying to get my coochie scratched.
Oh yeah.
Nante guys ngifuna imenu for amadoda bethiwa ala and ngisayilindile la menu and anazozifika na but ke no actually they're not that expensive and they're very
nice.
proper like that's
I thought it's
5k
about the size. They're actually nice.
right very cute
It's a money man. Guys, for real, like I've been noticing myself. I'm like a big Zaza.
no these are big Zazas are the future hey like I don't understand those small school ones
I mean, they do work with some outfits. The small ones.
yeah like if
Not
you
gonna
if you
lie.
have that outfit you're but then you can't be wearing a dress and then put it green with those small ones.
Chum, you can make it work now.
I know, but then so
personally
for the
prefer-
aesthetic, I'm going for it won't work for my aesthetic,
I personally prefer big Zazas.
right? Yeah, the future.
Oversized sunnies is where I'm at. I just happen to make it. Should we turn on your lights? Because the sun is left us.
Okay.
That bad how. Remember when I said they have this lights, the lights even is different the same one. It is a small ring light.
No, I have that small ring by
Yeah,
now, but I left it at home because when Pata lent it, because I was thinking, well, why bring something?
Yeah, right?
You know, it doesn't make sense. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. But you know what? In life, someone needs a tote bag, like a huge ass bag, so I can just put everything inside it.
I want to guess, like, when we went to guess, I want to guess tote bag. Guys, I need a tote bag because I feel like
And they're
the
affordable.
older I'm getting, the more things I need to put. Look at how fat this bag is.
Yeah, but, and it's convenient, like
You want a mini
it's very convenient.
or the big one?
Maybe just a mini. At least I can put my charger, my wipes, my bonnet, my toothbrush.
Yeah, man, it's perfect for Mutago, guys. Living this life for a living.
You see, my lip gloss, my hand lotion,
Everything, Jade. Perfect.
my chart, like everything. Literally everything. Guys, I put a lot of stuff in my bag.
So boring.
We're going to get something.
Oh, there's one though. Ooh. No, let me take a video.
I am just having segment. Yeah. Hey, baby! Oh, please don't play with it. Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it.
Ngoba xa ingazi uzibona ezinormal akasayiva nix into.
Ebumnala abantu ebenengazalala abesithi no.
Hayi ayibhonqoza ndaba please. Fune enkulu. Qela enkulu.
My first rider.